Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Aston Martin Vantage GTE. So again, I'm saying this. I did unbox this one. I don't know, maybe in different color, long back. So I'm not remembering, what color and exactly when I unboxed this. Maybe during 2023 itself when I did a 5 pack. So I did very few 5 packs. You guys know, but I do have a lot of 5 packs in my box. I need to do that, but it is time consuming. So I will do it in some time. So so with that said, okay, this one is a 2023 card. If you guys are wondering, and you guys are thinking maybe if you want to get this casting, I don't know if it is still possible. Even 2024 castings or 25 castings are even not able to get nowadays. Okay, so let me show you this 149 is MRP, and here is the card art. It's raining really heavily here. Okay, so here is a closer look at the casting. So out of the box, the casting actually looks really nice. And so see, you can see some paint bubbles here on the roof, on the spoiler here. So that is pretty common, given that this is a 2023 casting. I'm not sure what to say. Okay, let's talk about the details. It has a Gulf livery here on the hood, and you can see the Aston Martin logo. Actually, this is pretty neat compared to other logos they normally do, which usually is messed up. It has headlight details. It's a soft cell. I literally just told they did the logo, better, but they missed out on that headlight details. Okay, so it doesn't have any tail light details, and it has three side details like they normally do. And you can see the exhaust here, which is a plastic piece, and it is merged with the chassis. So the rims are nothing great, it is okay. They could have went with a different set of rims. So, but overall the casting looks really good, and you can see the interior here. That also looks really nice. I really wish Hot Wheels do this transparent windshield instead of always the black tinted versions. Even the blue ones looks really nice compared to this one. So the hood detail looks very nice. That is a plastic piece which I think connects with the chassis here. So or it may be a separate piece. Let me see if I can able to find that out. I think it is connected with the interior here. So it has the bars here and everything. So I was hoping for engine detailing here. So since it's a front engine cars. Okay, so this body is fully metal, including the spoiler here. That piece is metal, and the chassis is fully plastic. It has good detailing on the front as well. This is a plastic piece, but it does have this grill details here. That is good. Okay, so let's weigh this casting now. Okay, 34 grams. That's not actually bad. It actually felt weightless. Looks like it's a bit heavy. Okay, I don't know if I'm keeping this right. It's been some time, guys, and I today only I arranged everything. Okay, let's do the roll test. Okay, maybe let me just pull this mat a little bit and try again. See, again, if you guys are new to this channel, I'm telling you again, this is the official Hot Wheels track, including this piece here. This is a set which I unboxed some time back. I think the gargoyle set. So it is from that particular set. Okay. Okay, it is getting hit in this place, but this pretty much merged. I don't know why it is having this issue. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me see. You can see here. Okay, maybe let's try one more thing. Let's reverse this thing here. I don't know how many guys actually have this. So you can get this particular thing with mostly every set. Okay, let's try it in this way. I usually do all these things in like off camera, but it's the first time I'm doing this. Okay, we usually keep it in this range so that it will give some elevation. Okay, let's try again. Okay, even now also I'm facing the same issue. So the okay, this part, the rear wheels actually is getting hit here. Okay, I tried everything. There is some issue with the car itself. I was thinking like I set this up a little bit bad, but no. The car itself is a bit bad. You can even see this while rolling in the mat. The wheels wobble a lot, and even with this much of force, it is not rolling really that well. Okay, so let's rate this casting now. So it has three side details, so no point reduction there. So mine has a little bit chippier. I'm not sure if this is supposed to be the mold, the injection molding thing. They will cut that part out, right? So I think this is where they do that, if I'm not wrong. So it doesn't roll really well. Maybe I'm taking point 0.5 out of that, so 9.5 out of 10, because the rest are things with paint bubbling, everything. That is not going to be a common issue. It's more specific to mine, so don't worry about it. In case if you already bought it, or if you're finding it in the wild, yeah. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.